In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to use Viber app. Let's get started. First, launch your Play Store or App Store. Search for the app Viber. After app appears, install it. Now you can launch it. Type in your phone number and click on continue. You'll receive code in your number. You'll need to type in that. Then provide your some personal details. After you fill that, your account will be created and you'll be directed to this page. Over here, you're going to find all of your conversations. Navigate to calls page. Here you're gonna find your call history. Likewise, clicking on the option explore. Here you're gonna find trending news. Navigate to the more page. You're gonna find these options over here. If you wanna add a new contact, click on the option add contact. Over here you'll need to type in your contact's number and then click on done. And add the person to your Viber, or else you can click on the option QR scanner. Then scan the QR code and add the person. Likewise, head over to the chats page, launch any of the chat. At the bottom, you're gonna find the message box. Here you can type in your message and then send it. Then clicking on the plus option, you're gonna get these options. You can send photos, videos, likewise add contact, show your location, enable disappearing messages. Clicking on this icon, you are able to send the stickers. Click on the picture icon to send photos. Likewise, if you wanna make a call, you can use these icons given at the top, audio call, likewise video call. And that's it, you are now ready to use Viber for messaging, free calls, video chats and more. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.